Yes, Mr. Minister.
As it please the court, my lord.
Yeah.
I'm not so sure whether the court was done with the composite explanation.
No, I've not finished.
Oh, thank you, my lord.
No.
Thank you, my lord.
Here you go.
Yeah. My lord, before I proceed,
Here you go.
may I bring the following to the attention of the court? Mr. Peterse
Yeah.
has requested me to implore the court to release him at 3 because he's got a pressing issue that he needs to attend at 3:30.
Fine.
As it is.
Any
the court.
objection?
None, thank you, my lord.
Colonel?
No objection, my lord.
Thank you. They said no objection. I don't have any objection.
As
Okay.
it please the court, my lord.
Right. Yes, let's continue.
Now, sir, is it your testimony that the firearm, which you say is the firearm that Rulofs used to work on initially before you could work on it, the barrel thereof was so worn out that it couldn't really transfer the required marks, or most of the marks, into the test bullets?
Uthe umbhobho lesi sibhamu esisetshenziswa ibisiguge kakhulu kangangoba ibingasashiyi lutho lapha enhlamvini.
My lord, it was worn out, but it could transfer the markings, but not clear markings to you. You can see the markings. When you look at your exhibit, you can see there are markings, but not completely what we call wall to wall, where you see
Yes.
all the markings on your exhibit.
So,
Nanoma ke ukugile lo mbhobho walesi sibhamu kodwa kukhona impawu awushiya la kulezi zinhlamvu.
so in other words, it could not consistently transfer the marks into the bullet.
Usho ukuthi ke ibingashiyi izimpawu ngendlela okungaguquki.
That's correct. It could not consistently transfer those markings, but
Thank
there
you,
were
sir.
markings transferred to it.
Yeah.
Yebo kunjalo ibingakwazi ukuthi ishiye impalo ngendlela efanayo ngaso sonke isikhathi kodwa sikhona impawu ebishiya kulezi zinhlamvu.
And nonetheless, you went on to conclude that indeed the firearm, or not the firearm, the bullets that you fired from this firearm and those that you got from Mr. Rulofs, despite the fact that there was no consistent transfer of this mark, but you then went on to conclude that those test bullets were fired from this one firearm.
Kodwa usho ukuthi ke uphethe ngokuthi ke inhlamvu ezidutshulwe nguwe nezidutshulwe wabo siphuma zidutshulwe isibhamu esisodwa.
That's correct, my lord.
Yebo
Thank you.
kunjalo.
Now, you earlier on said that the worn out of a barrel would result into a slippage of a bullet when it is being fired, not so?
Uthe ke ukuguga wombhobho esibhamu ngagcina wenze ukuthi inhlamvu ishelele la ngaphakathi akunjalo.
That's correct, my lord.
Yebo kunjalo.
Thank you, sir. Now, that process, the slippage, would it have an effect on the transfer of the marks to the bullet?
Manje ukushela kanjalo kungenza kube nomthelela ukushenekeni kwezimpawu enhlamvini.
My lord, the slippage itself could create some other markings, but you could not get the same slippage where all your bullets will slip the same way and will pick up the same markings. The
And
slippage you could see, but the markings on the slippage, you cannot also match them with other bullets, but you can see that there was slippage.
Manje ukushelela lokho ke kwenza ukuthi ke iy'nhlamvu eziphume esibhamini ziphume-ke zinempawu ezahlukahlukile, kodwa-ke lokho kakwenzi ukuthi-ke kugcine kungasabonakalanga nakancane ukuthi lezi iy'nhlamvu ziphume esibhamini esisodwa.
So in other words, the slippage does also have an effect on the consistent transfer of the marks into the bullet.
Kusho ukuthi-ke lokhu kushelela lokhu kuyenza kugcina-ke kwenze ukuthi kube nokuguquguquka kwendlela-ke umbhobho oshiya-ke iy'mpawu enhlamvini.
That's correct, my lord.
Yebo kunjani.
Now, having found that there's a match between the FMJs that you fired from the firearm and those that were fired by Mr. Rulofse, did you then request somebody to come and override your testing, as you did in this case where you requested Mr. Serrero to override your test or examination?
Njengoba kunokuhlukana-ke kulama FMJ aphume kuwena naphuma ku Rulofse, bekukhona yini ozile wazochaza ukuthi khona umehluko phakathi lezi zinhlamvu?
No, my lord, because those are only the tests. That's where I wanted to confirm that this is the same firearm. I wanted to confirm myself that this is the same firearm.
Cha phela bengikwenza lapho kuzama ukuletha isiqiniseko sokuthi isona lesi sibhamu lesi sasetshenziswa uRulofse.
Thank you. Now, let's go to the firearms, not firearms, the bullets, which were made of, from NGA. You say you also fired 2 bullets in this regard, not so?
Njeko inhlamvu embili eziphuma udubule inhlamvu embili ezivela kwa-NGA akunjalo?
That's correct.
Yebo kunjalo.
You take us through the test which you did after having fired these bullets from NGA as well.
Cela usichazele ukuthi wenzele uphohlaziyo emva ukuthi udubulele zinhlamvu.
My lord, I fired all the tests, 8 tests. After firing all the 8 tests,
Yes.
I started comparing the 2 FMJs with Rulofse's test, and then thereafter, I started comparing all the tests with the exhibit bullet.
Usho ukuthi-ke engiqale ngakwenza ukudubula zonke lezi zinhlamvu ezo-8 emva kwalokho ngase ngihlola-ke FMJ nalezi zinhlamvu eziphuma kuRulofse. Emva kwalokho ngase-ke ngiqhathanisa zonke-ke lezi zinhlamvu engizidubulile ngiziqhathanisa nale engiyinikiwe.
Yes, Lieutenant Colonel, let I understand, but I'm now at the NGA. What does NGA stand for?
NGA imeleni?
New generations ammunition.
Bathi umele New Generations Ammunition.
Just a second. Now we're at the New Generation Ammunition. Now we are now looking at these 2 bullets, test bullets that you fired, which are the New Generation Ammunition. What did you do with them?
Bathi wenzeni-ke ngalezi zinhlamvu ezidubulile ezivela kwa-New Generations Ammunition?
What did I do with them? I compared them with the exhibit bullet that from the crime scene.
Thank you.
From who?
From the crime scene.
Ngiqhathanise nale nhlamvu etholakale-ke endaweni yesigameko.
Now, did you not compare them with the bullets? I mean, with the test bullets that were from Rudolph's testing?
Zama ngayini ukuthi uziqhathanise nalezi zinhlamvu ezazidutshulwe uRulofse?
I can't recall whether I've compared them also with the, but I started comparing, once I saw that this, I started comparing the exhibit bullet with all the tests, not only the New Generation, with all the tests that I have fired.
Angisakhumbuli kahle ukuthi ngizihlolile yini ngaleyo ndlela, kodwa-ke ngigcine sengihlola-ke zonke lezi inhlamvu ngihlola nale inhlamvu lena ephuma ke endaweni isigameko.
Now, is it correct, Lieutenant Colonel, that as you are working on these experiments, you've got your own working station where you're recording each and everything that you're doing there, not so?
Kunjalo ukuthi khona indawo nje la osenzela kuyona uma wenza wonke lo msebenzi wakho.
I'm recording each and everything that I'm doing. Is that the question?
Yes.
Umbuzo ukuthi usho ukuthi khona la ngibhala khona ukuthi yini yonke engiyenzayo.
No, I know, I understand. You can't write now, I'm standing up, I'm going to the bathroom. Now you can't write, I'm standing up, I'm going to drink Coca-Cola. If you're smoking, you can't write now, I'm standing up, I'm going to smoke. I'm taking a break. I mean, in relation to the substantive work that you are busy with there.
Cha ngiyavuka ukuthi angeke ubhale wonke ukuthi ngisaya ngasendlini encane uma kuwukuthi uyabhema angeke ubhale nokuthi ngisayobhema kodwa ngisho ukuthi ke mayelana nomsebenzi owenzayo ukuthi khona wonke okubhalayo.
Well, when I work on the microscope, what I'll do is I'll put my exhibit on my left-hand side, and then all my tests I'll put them on my right-hand side. I'll pick any of the bullets, start matching it with my exhibit. I'll check all the length and all the grooves. If I see any matching striations, I'll mark which groove did I see with it's either marking pen or corky pen, and once I have some similarities on the other one, I'll put it aside and then I'll take another one. If I don't find enough or on the same spot, I'll check with this one. If I see another mark, I'll mark it again where I found this one. I'll put it on the side. I'll take the other one.
Engikwenzayo ukuthi ke ngiyengibeke inhlamvu ke engizozihlola esandleni sami sokudla bese ngithatha ke inhlamvu eyodwa ngiyihlola lapha ku microscope. Uma kukhona ke impawu engizitholayo ngiyamakha lapha ngiyakusho ukuthi ngikhona engibhalayo ukukhombisayo ukuthi cha kukhona engitholile lapha. Uma ukuthi akho lutho engilitholayo ngibekela ngaseceleni. Uma kukhona engitholayo futhi khona indawo la engizibeka khona ngiqhubeka kanjalo kanjalo.
But once I'm done with them a lot, what I'll do is I'll look for the mark that I can use for court preparation or for court chart.
Yes.
I'll check from those ones that I have checked. The one with the better mark that I think will be clearly when I take a picture of it, I'll use that one to take pictures and then put them aside.
Manje bese kudlula lapho ngithatha ke lezi inhlamvu lezi engibonayo ukuthi sinempawu engakwazi ukuthi ngisebenziseke uma sengizilungiselela ukuza eqhulweni kwecala enkantolo. Kodwa kusho ukuthi ke la lezi engibonayo ukuthi sinempawu ezingathi zibonakala ngcono ngizibekele eceleni ngoba ngifuna ukuthi ngisebenzise zona.
Thank you. No, that I understand. Thank you very much for that explanation, sir. But the point is, with this new generation ammunition, having fired them, having had the opportunity to analyze them, that's where my point is. Now you are saying you don't know whether you not really know. You can't remember whether you actually compared them with rule of law exhibit or not. Not so.
Hayi ngibuzayo ukuthi awuzange uqhathanise yini lezi inhlamvu zase NGA neinhlamvu zika rule of law.
Comparing my other test with the rule of test.
Not other tests, I'm being specific. Compare. You are saying you can't recall whether you compared the new generation ammunition after having fired them with the rule of test bullets, not so.
Engiqonde ngokubona ukuthi awuzange uqhathanise inhlamvu ezivela ka new generations ammunition neinhlamvu ebezidudulwe rule of law.
My Lord, I want to clear something. When I have all my tests fired, I have them here. When I start comparing, I don't look at whether it's new generation. I'll just pick a bullet and compare. So the first ones that I started with, I said they're the FMJs.
Yes.
I started with the FMJs. I compared the FMJs and then I put them in. When I started, I can't recall whether I also did with the same exercise with the other bullets. But I continued. When I started continuing, I took my exhibit bullet and put them on the left-hand side.
Yes.
Started comparing it with all those other exhibits that I had with me.
Angisakhumbula ukuthi lokho ngikwenzile yini ngalesi mhlawumbe eziphuma FM kwa New Generations Ammunition kodwa engikukhumbulayo ukuthi qale ngathatha lezi FMJ ngasihlola ngasiqhathanisa nezaka nezika Roloff ngisakhumbula ukuthi emva kwaloko ke ngithathe iziphi ngaze ngasihlola ngayiphi indlela.
So you saying you still can't recall exactly what you did?
Ngisho ukuthi kosakushoka ukuthi awusakhumbuli kahle ukuthi wenzani.
That's correct, man, because the whole exercise did not take an hour or 2 hours. It take days, because I started working after collecting the firearm, after shooting the test.
Yes.
Then Tuesday, Wednesday, I was busy on the microscope with all those exhibits. I can't remember, but my report, I started compiling my report on Friday.
Yes.
Yebo angisakhumbuli kahle ukuthi ngenzani ngoba phela kuyona into eyathatha ihora noma amahora into eyenza ukuthi ngasebenza lo msebenzi sukela ngawo lesibili ngaqhubeka njalo ngase ngayofika ngolesihlanu la engakubhala khona ngaqala khona ukubhala umbiko wami.
Thank you. Now, with that addendum to your answer, should I then understand you to mean that at some stage you were tired working on this exercise or on this experiment, on this examination? It took you almost a week, so it drained you. Do I understand you to mean that?
Mhlawumbe ngazi noma ngizwisisa kahle kuyiqiniso yini ukuthi kusho ukuthi umsebenzi lona wakhathalisa kakhulu ukuze ukuthi emva kweviki usenza lo msebenzi wawusuphelelwe amandla.
My lord, when I'm working on the microscope, once I feel that my eyes are tired, I've been working on the microscope for a long time, my eyes are tired. And that you start missing some of the markings, so I'll rather stop and then I'll continue when it's either the next morning or when I maybe after a long break and I come start working on it. So that's why I said it didn't take me a day, it took me a long time.
Yes.
Ya uma sengisebenzeke ngemicroscope lo ngiyibuka lapha isikhathi eside kenzela ukuthi amahlo ami akhathala mase ngibona ukuthi ngifinyela kuleso simo ngoba kungenzeka ukuthi ke uma usubhekile ukhathele amehlo ngabe sabona abonisise kahle so ke engikwenzayo ukuthi uma kunjalo ngeke ngizinike isikhathi sokuthi ngiphumule uma ukuthi emva kwesikhathi yazo sengingconyana ngibuyele uqhubeka emsebenzini yikho ke nje ukuthi lo msebenzi lona wagcina uthatha isikhathi eside ngakho lokhu ukuthi ngifanele ngizinike isikhathi sokuthi ngiwaphumuza mehlo.
No, thank you. I quite agree with you on that one. Some other things, they can be very draining. But then are you then saying that the nature of this exercise, this comparison, was it a tedious and a difficult one? So which is the reason why it took you so many days?
Because ukuthi ke lo msebenzi lo ukuhlola nokuqhathanisa umsebenzi osinda kakhulu because ukuthi ke ikona okwenza ukuthi uthathe isikhathi eside.
My lord, with such exhibits from such a bullet that is worn out, it takes time for you to look at those things and it takes time for you to see all your markings properly.
Kuthatha isikhathi ukuthi wenze lo msebenzi kuthatha isikhathi ukuthi ubone zonke impawu ufuna ukuzibona uzibone kahle.
Thank you. Now, with that explanation, would it then be correct to say that it was not an easy exercise, it was a difficult exercise? Because you had to go into the system and compare, come back out of the system, go back and compare. It wasn't really a simple exercise. It was a tedious exercise. Do I understand you to mean that?
Manje ngizwisisa kahle ke yena umuthi usho ukuthi lo msebenzi lo kwaumsebenzi okhathalisayo umsebenzi onzima kwangeyona into elula ukuthi wenze lo msebenzi oqhathanisa ngoba ufanele ungene emshinini ubuye ubuye ungene ubuye uqhathanise ngasonke isikhathi ngizwisisa kahle yena umuthi kwaunzima lo msebenzi.
My lord, I would say as long as you started, you've identified maybe the grooves that are visible that you can see on your exhibit.
Yes.
When you start with those other tests,
Yes.
you can check your test. You keep on marking it. Then maybe after some time, you know which marks, bullets you have marked.
Yes.
You start looking at them. Then you can, from there, you start doing a follow-up. When you say it's a follow-up,
Yes.
if you haven't, you start rotating them simultaneously, looking at the relative same position on both items
Yes.
for more marks.
Yes.
Into eyenzekayo ukuthi ke uma ukuthi uyahlola ke uyayithola lemselo oyitholayo usiyamakha lapho ukuthi ngithola umselo othize nothize. Uma usuqedile lo uyathatha ke lezi inhlamvu zombili uzibeke ubusuzihlola zombili lokuqhathanisa ubone ukuthi ngiyayithola yini lemselo le ekhona lapha kulezi inhlamvu imseleka eyimpawu ezicishe kube ziyabonakala ukuthi ziyafana yini.
And to clear up, it's not that it took me the whole week to do that. I've checked it, and thereafter I gave it to my colleagues to check. So they also took some time, but not, I would say, not as much time as I took.
Uyathi yebo mase ngiqedile ukwenza lo msebenzi ngiyawuthatha ngonike akusho ukuthi ngithathe iviki lonke kodwa ke ngikwenzile ukuthi mase ngiqedile ke ukwenza lo msebenzi phela ngunika ke nala ngisebenza nabo uthi nabo abahlole and yikho ngithi lo msebenzi uthatha isikhathi eside.
Is it correct, Sam, or that the reason why you had to take such amount of time, which was a bit longish, was the fact that you were struggling with the fact that there was no consistent transfer of the marks from the firearm into your test bullets?
Manje kusho ukuthi ke into enza ukuthi uthatha isikhathi eside kangaka ukuthi ke sasingekho izimpawu ezibonakalayo ukuthi zitholakala ngaso sonke isikhathi endaweni eyodwa kuzo zonke lezi inhlamvu lezi owawuthesta ngazo.
But I think I've answered that previously. I said there was no consistent marking on those. And when you start comparing them, you will see those markings as time goes on.
Thank you.
Yiko ngishilo ukuthi yebo sasingekho izimpawu ezingaguquguquki kodwa ke uma lokuqhubeka ubheka ugcina uzibonile lezi zimpawu kulezinye inhlamvu.
Which is the reason why I'm saying to you that the fact that there was no consistency of the transfer of the mark from the firearm into your test bullet is what compounded your process to compare these exhibits. In other words, you had to redouble your efforts to go and look at those marks which would have enabled you to do a comparison, not so?
Kusho ukuthi ke lokufifiyela ukuzama ukuthola lezi zimpawu kona okwenze ukuthi uphindaphinde uloku uzama ukufuna lezi zimpawu okugcineke ukuthatha isikhathi eside kunjalo.
That's correct.
Yebo kunjalo.
Thank you. Would also that be the reason that the fact that you had to take time and you have just acceded now, considered to say that it's correct, that it was because of this challenge that was there, that this firearm does not necessarily transfer the information that I wanted to transfer into the test bullet. So I must just get what I want. Would that also be the reason why you had to go and confirm with your 4 colleagues that, guys, am I really right here? Would that also be the reason?
Ngisho kunjalo ke yini ukuthi njengoba ke sasingabonakali kahle lezi zimpawu okufuna lapha wagcina uthola ukuthi ke nomsebenzi wokuzama ukuthi ngempela uzifune uzithole lezi zimpawu okwagcina ke kumthwalo kuwena ufinyeleka lapho ke wagcina usuthi musutholele ukutholilwa wasiyobhiza nalabo sebenza nabo wathi aningisizeni bandla yizona ngempela yini lezi zimpawu engizithola la.
No, my lord. The reason why it took me time, I wanted to convince myself until I'm certain that this is the right firearm, to see enough markings that this is the right firearm that I'm working on.
Thank you.
Cha into enza ukuthi ngithathe isikhathi eside ukuthi ngangizama mina ukuzinika isiqiniseko sokuthi ngempela ngisona ngempela lesi sibhamu lesi ebengicanga ukuthi yiso.
Now let's go back to the new generation ammunition. We're not done with it.
Ake siphindele ku new generation ammunition. Asikaqedi ngayo.
Now, in comparing this new generation ammunition with the scene exhibit, what did you find?
Manje uma usuqhathanisa ke inhlamvu ezivela new generation ammunition nenhlamvu evela endaweni yesigameko yini koyayithola?
My lord, I compared all the bullets with this, including the new generation's ammunition, where I could see the similarities when I rotate them. Even though I couldn't see them around the circumference of the bullet or all around the bullet, but there were some striations that I could match on these exhibits. And when I compare those, I don't say that because this is new generation, I'll put it aside and new generation, I'll take any of those bullets. So I cannot say with new generation, this is what I did. With FMJ, this is what I did. I compared it with all the bullets.
Cha mangihlola lapha bengihlola zonke inhlamvu ezikhona bengaveli ngithatha inhlamvu ngithi sekuyinhlamvu ya new generations ammunition la bese ngiyayiqhathanisa cha bengihlola zonke inhlamvu ukuzama ukubona ukuthi zikhona yini lezi impawu engizifunayo.
Yes, I'm taking it step by step. Look, we're done with the FMJ. Now we're busy with the NGA. Let's for a moment cast our mind away from this other bullet, test bullet. Let's talk NGA versus the SIN bullet. Do you understand?
My lord, it's not going to be possible to say that NGA specifically. As I said, I've compared with all the bullets. So I'm not going to say with NGA I did this and this and this. I compared with all the bullets.
Hayi ngasiphinde lapha ku MGA siyobhekisisa ukuthi wagcina uthola ukuthi hayi cha angahloli kuphela ngiqhathanisa MGA engangihlola izo zonke lezi inhlamvu ukuthi ziyatholakala yini lezi impawu engangizifuna.
Now, you had marked your test bullets number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and up to 10, if I'm not mistaken. Ne?
That's correct.
Sizihlolela ke zonke inhlamvu ukusuka ku 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10. Kunjalo athi yebo kunjalo.
Now, what number, in terms of the sequence of the numbering of your test bullets, did you number these NGA bullets?
Manje inamba inhlamvu lesi senziwa MGA njengoba kunohluke lokhu marka lezi inhlamvu zonke zona ke wawuzinike ziphi number.
I cannot recall which one was of the NBGA did I mark, because when I mark them all being on from the same spot.
Cha sakhumbula ukuthi iziphi ke engangizimakhile ukuthi iziphi zazo NGA ngoba ngangithi mangizimakha zonke ukuthi lezi zindawonye.
Thank you. You can't recall. I'm not so sure whether, say, attached based on the following point. Why did you use NGA, which is a new generation ammunition, the Sailor and Bellot ammunition, the FMJ, and those other two, which you can't remember what make were they? Why did you use these types of ammunition?
Manje wayinike isizathu
Which is different.
Inhlamvu zase NGA ezaka Celion pilot zaselia pilot neza ka FMJ nalezi uthe awuzazi yini isizathu sokuthi ukhethe ukuthi usebenzise lezi inhlamvu?
My lord, only the PMPs were the FMJs. The rest of them, I took the FMJs. I took the CMJs.
Manje kwaku ama PMP kuphela FMG aku FMJ lezi zinye zonke sazu CMJ.
And I wanted CMJs from different manufacturers.
Manje angifuna ama CMJ aphuma kwakhiqiza behlukene.
Thank you. Now, you're saying at your working station there, you were not numbering them in a way that will specifically indicate that this is an NGA and I am marking it test bullet number 5. This is another NGA test bullet number 6 or 5A, 5 Roman figure 1 or 5 Roman figure 2. Then I'm going to the seller bullet, seller and ballot. I'm going to mark it test bullet number 7.1 and 7.2. That you did not mark. You just marked them at random, 1 to 8.
That's correct, my lord.
Thank you.
Athi ushuthi ke wena ungazimakhi lezi inhlamvu uthi lana inhlamvu ya MGA ezoba number sibanibani nesibanibani bese uyakuya kuphela kwaselia and ballot usuthi then izoba usibanibani noma FMJ izoba uvele nje wazimaka zonke za amabullet nje amakiwe kodwa engachazi ukuthi aphuma kumuphi umkhiqizo wathi yena.
Thank you. Now, just a second, madam. Now you are saying in your affidavit that the exhibits that you found, one of the exhibits that was found at the scene was so damaged that it could not assist in you trying to determine or trying to use it in order to do a match with with the
Manje uthe khona enye inhlamvu ayithola lapha inesigameko eyayilimele kangangoba ongakwazi ukuthi ungayisebenzisa eqhathaniseni
with your test bullets.
uyiqhathanisa ke nenhlamvu ezama test bullet.
That's correct, my lord. It was damaged and it was unsuitable for microscopic comparison.
Yebo yayilimele yayingakwazi ukuthi ingasebenziseka.
Now I'm just trying to get to the paragraph where you speaking about that bullet there. But then you are saying, if my memory serves me well, that you could identify that damaged bullet as a 9mm bullet, not so. Possibly, you say possibly.
9mm, but yeah.
Yeah, you are saying in 3.2 that it was a one-fired fragment, possibly of a 9mm caliber, which was marked 217267/14A1, not so?
So I didn't get the question properly.
I am saying he defines that other exhibit that was lifted from the scene in paragraph 3.2 of his affidavit, which is dated 20 July 2020, which is dated 4 May May 2020, I think so, yes. Is it August? Yeah, 14
August, my
August
lord.
2020. Ne? And he describes that bullet in paragraph 3.2 of that same affidavit as one bullet fragment, possibly of a 9mm caliber, which was marked 217-267-14A1.
Can counsel just refer to the exhibit to make it easier for the witness? I think it's referring to exhibit X13C.
That is 13C. I'm sorry. That is 13C. That's on page 4 of 7.
I have found the right exhibit, but can we get back to the question now that I have the
Oh,
exhibit?
okay, no, thank you. Don't worry, I'll do it. That's now exhibit 13C, ne? Paragraph 3.2, which is on page 4 of page 7.
We have it, my lord.
Oh, you have it. Thank you. Now you describe that other exhibit that was lifted from the scene in 3.2 of your affidavit as one fired bullet fragment, possibly of a 9mm caliber, which was marked 217-267-14A1. Not so.
Manje lapha u-3.2 lesisikhombisa sifakile lapha uC uthe lana inhlamvu usho ukuthi ucezu lenhlamvu ebonakala sengathi ngaba u9 mm emakwe ukuthi u217267/14A1.
That's correct, my lord.
Athi yebo kunjani.
Thank you. Now you had agreed with me when we agreed about science being an art of consistency, precision and accuracy, not so?
Vumelene nawe ukuthi iscience ke into esebenza ngokunemba.
That's correct.
Yebo kunjani.
Ayikhona ukunemba ukudubula phela.
Accuracy and precision in Zulu ukunemba. Both of them
Oh,
translate
it
to
means
ukunemba.
ukunemba.
Yeah.
Okay, no, I still remember when we were youngsters, when we were shooting with Italians, I remember. You see, but nonetheless, that it is. Ukunemba. Now, you are describing this as a fired bullet fragment, possibly of a 9mm caliber.
Kusho ukuthi lana uchaza lokho
Let's just confine ourselves
ucezu
there.
lwenhlamvu ekubonakala mhlambi ukuthi mhlambe sengathi ngaba uhlobo lwe9 mm.
Now, this is not conclusive, not so, that it was indeed a 9mm caliber.
Kusho ukuthi lokho akulethi isiqiniseko esigcwele ukuthi kungaba kuyi9 mm kunjalo.
That's correct, my lord.
Yebo kunjalo.
Thank you. And that is also found in your affidavit, Exhibit 13B. Exhibit 13B. Page 3 thereof, on paragraph 3.3.1.
Athi kuyavela futhi nelokhu lapha ku exhibition B ku la ngaphansi kwesihlo u3.3.1.
where you describe that exhibit as a one-spent bullet fragment of an undetermined caliber, and you marked it 217267/14A1. The
Lapho
marking is the
echaza-ke-
same as that one, not so.
Lapho
That's correct.
ke ukuthi ucezu inhlamvu engakwazi ukuthi ichazeke ukuthi yayi caliber engana noma ubukhulu obungakanani, kodwa ke ima kwenjengo 217267/14A1. What yeah.
That is the extent of this damage made it to be not to be easy to determine with precision, being science,
Athi usho
having
ukuthi
that art of precision, with precision, whether this was a 9mm bullet or not. Not so.
kusho ukuthi ke wangakwazi ukuthi kuletheke isiqiniseko sokuthi ngempela le nhlamvu eyohlobo le-9mm
Because it's damaged, my lord, I could not determine the caliber of it.
Thank you.
ngoba elimele le nhlamvu wangakwazi ukuthi ngilethe isiqiniseko sokuthi yayi-caliber noma ubukhulu obungakanani.
No. Very quick one on this one. I'm speaking this under corrections because when you were alluding to this point, I was busy taking something down, so I'm not so sure. I must apologize in advance if I misunderstood you well. But did I understand you to mean that when you were, I think when you were cross-examined by my colleague, Mr. Ramusipili, that the bullets that were found at the scene, the fragmented one and the one that was still user-friendly, were of a 9mm caliber. Did I get you well there?
Didn't get the last part.
I'm asking whether I got him well when he said that.
Sorry, the acoustics are not helping. Can you please repeat again?
Or the whole question.
Yeah, no, just the last part.
The last part is, I am not so sure whether, as I'm saying, my mind is working backward. When he was being cross-examined by Mr. Ramusipili, he said the bullet that was damaged beyond repair and the one that was still user-friendly that was found at the scene were 9mm caliber bullets.
Akulona yini iqiniso ngesikhathi ubuza ubaba Ramsibili ukuthi ke lezi inhlamvu ezimbili le eyayilimele kangangoba engasakwazi ukusebenziseka nale ebikwazi ukuthi ungakwazi ukuthi uyihlole Can you get the last part?
They were of a 9mm caliber.
Zombili ke ungathi uthe zazi uhlobo lwe-9mm.
My lord, I was mostly speaking of a 9mm bullet and a bullet fragment.
Mina ngikhulume ngobullet yo-9mm ke nocezu lwenhlamvu.
Oh, so it means I misunderstood you when you said it could have been a 9mm fragment bullet.
Usho ukuthi angikuzwisisanga kahle ngoba bengizosengathi uthi ucezu lwenhlamvu ewu-9mm.
My lord, I only mentioned the bullet is a 9mm. The fragment, I said it's undetermined caliber or possibly 9mm. But I've never said it's a 9mm.
Wow.
Cha ngizangisho ukuthi 9mm, engishilo mina ukuthi ngithole inhlamvu ngase ngithola nocezu lwenhlamvu engenzeka mhlawumbe ukuthi ingaba iwu-9mm.
No, thank you. Now, I wanted us to go to the cellar and the ballot bullet that you also fired, but you had already answered and said that you did not specifically dealt with them individualistically. As in, these are two bullets from new generation ammunition. Now, from this point, I'm concentrating on them. Now, the cellar and bullet, from this point, I'm concentrating on them. You just did your test randomly, not so.
Njoba ungashongo ukuthi hlale phansi wamakho uthi no lezi inhlamvu lezi ezivela kwaSelia and Bellot kodwa uthe uzihlole zonke inhlamvu ungamakile ukuthi inhlamvu ivela phi kodwa uzihlolile akunjalo.
That's correct, my lord.
Yebo kunjalo.
Thank you. You know, but I'm very curious to know this new generation ammunition. When you compared it with the sin bullet, what did it give you?
Le enhlamvu evela ka new generation ammunition wathi umuyikathanisa watholani umuyikathanisa ke nale nhlamvu etholekele endaweni yesigameko.
My lord, I'm still repeating my answer. I cannot tell whether which one was salient pellet when I was looking at it. I was just picking any bullet and comparing. So I cannot say that the salient pellet did look like that, and then the SNW or SNB salient pellet looks like
SNB, yeah.
Njengoba sengishilo ukuthi bengivele ngicaphune nje ngithathe inhlamvu bengabheki iqala ukuthi inhlamvu yakupha ngeke ngisho ukuthi lena iyona vele yayinempawu ezasifana noma iyona yayinempawu ezingafani ngoba bengivele ngithathe nje.
That is where my concern is, and I don't want us to argue this point. I just want clarity. You understand? Now you fire this SNB, the Celia and Bellot. You fire 2 of them. Is that not the reason for firing them? You had to go and compare them with the sin bullet.
Manje njengoba uthi udubule inhlamvu embili ezivela kwa-SNB Celia and Bellot akulona yini iqiniso ukuthi wathi uma uzidubula lezi wawuzidubula ngoba ufuna uziqhathanisa nenhlamvu etholakale endaweni yesigameko?
The purpose was to shoot all the tests, compare all the tests that I have fired with the exhibit bullet. All
No,
the tests,
interesting.
not specific bullets.
Inhloso kwawukuthi ngidubule zonke lezi inhlamvu bese ngiqhathanisa zonke lezi inhlamvu nenhlamvu engayithola endaweni yesigameko hayi ukuthi ngiqhathase inhlamvu ezithize.
Thank you. And now, scientifically, that is, or ballistically speaking, that is known as a known match, not so. Because you know, you fired this bullet from, you fired all these types of bullet, the NGA, the Celia and Bellot, the FMP, and those other 2 that you had forgotten where you got them from. You fired them from the same firearm. Now, ballistically speaking, those will be known matches, not so.
Kusho ukuthi ke can I please ask for a repeat again?
Yeah, no, I realize, my lord, Mr. Ngovo is a little bit tired, you see, but don't worry, Mr. Ngovo. It's been an old day, but it's been a very long day. But what I'm saying is, the reason why he fired all these different types of bullets, was it not for him to compare these bullets with the sin bullets?
Manje kusho ukuthi ukudubula kwakho lezi inhlamvu uziqhathanise kwawukuthi wawufuna ukuthi uziqhathanise nale nhlamvu ephuma endaweni yesigameko kunjalo?
My lord, was to compare all the bullets that I fired, all the CMJs from different manufacturers with the exhibit bullet from the crime scene.
Ngangifanele ngiqhathanise zonke inhlamvu wonke o-CMJ nale nhlamvu etholeke endaweni yesigameko.
Thank you. So basically the purpose why you fired all these types of bullets was to compare them with the sin bullet.
Kusho ukuthi ke inhloso yokuthi uqhathanise zonke lezi inhlamvu ukuthi kufanele uziqhathanise nale nhlamvu evela endaweni yesigameko.
That's correct, my lord.
Yebo kunjani?
Thank you. Now, what you did not do, as I understand you well, is that you did not specifically say or take down or note in your workstation or in your file that now I am comparing NGA, bullet number 1 from NGA, with the sin bullet, and this is what I am noting. That is not what you did here, not
Kusho
so.
ukuthi awuzange ukwenze lokho ukuthi uvele uthi manje sengiqhathanisa ibullet yokuqala yaka NGA ngiqhathanisa nenhlamvu engiyithole endaweni yesigameko and ngithe uma ngiziqhathanisa lezi nhlamvu ezimbili ke ngase ngithola nakhu.
My lord, that is not how I work. If I have the test, I'll compare all the tests. I'm not saying that this is a cellular ballot, I'm going to compare it, I must make notes. No, that's not how I work. If I have the test, I'll take my test, put them on the side, my exhibit bullet, and take any of the tests, start comparing with the exhibit.
Akuyona indlela engisenza ngayo, indlela engisenza ngayo ukuthi nje ngivele ngithathe zonke inhlamvu ngiyibekele eceleni bese ngithatha ke nale nhlamvu le ephume endaweni yesigameko bese ngiyaqhathanisa zonke.
I'm not trying to find out how do you really work. I am saying what it did not do here is what I've just explained to you, not so. I'm not trying to find out how do you work, but what you did not do here is what I've just explained to you.
Engizama ukuchaza ukuthi yini ongayenzanga, angizama ukutholisisa ukuthi impela usebenza ngayo indlela. Engizama ukuthi yini ongayenzanga ngalelo la.
My lord, that is not how I work. I'm still repeating. That is not how I work, where I'll keep on writing everything. The way I work, I'll take my test, compare them with my exhibit bullet. That I'm going to write each and everything. No, I don't do that. I'll only note my findings when I'm done with my comparison.
Ngisebenzi kanjalo ngiyaphinda uthi hlale ngibhala ukuthi manje sekwenzekani. Ngiyahlola mase ngiqedile bese ngiyabhala ukuthi nakho engitholile.
Thank you. That is the reason why I say that which I'm asking you now, you did not do here.
Now, Mr. Magas, Mr. Mnisi, this witness is clear. He doesn't work like the way you say he didn't do this and that and that. So your question, according to him, doesn't arise that he did not, for instance, he did not inspect the MVG bullets and thereafter write that this is how they are aligned to the test bullet. He says he works holistically. He takes all the 8 bullets, am I right, sir?
That's correct.
Put them on the side. And then you don't choose that you take the CMJ jacket B, what, and then he just works. So this exigency of saying that you didn't do, according to him, not me, doesn't arise because that's not how he goes about his work. Am I right?
That's correct, my lord.
Because even yesterday we kicked this dead horse. Today we are kicking the same dead donkey. Mr. Ramsipidi,
I need to clarify that with the court, my lord. Yesterday we kicked this dead horse. Today you are kicking this dead donkey.
Because the other day it was the same, even with Mr. Ngumezu.
Yes.
The same question.
Excuse me, my lord.
I say all of you have asked the same question.
No, mine is the very first time that I'm asking it, my lord.
Okay, fine.
I try the best that I can not to repeat a question that has been asked by a colleague. But nonetheless, my lord, I realize that is 1 minute to 3 o'clock. I think as per our initial request, I'm going to request an adjournment for tomorrow, my lord.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, my lord.
All right, you are available, you said.
I'm available, my lord.
And you're also available. Tomorrow, I mean. 10 o'clock. Okay, fine. 10 o'clock tomorrow.